Sinaboy, tumasan mo. Hayaan nyo na. Kita ka na yan. Maganda na.
Right, up next natin ay Green Team versus Thailand Team. Alright. Official referee for today is Alan Yilbogto and Sherwin Analon. Tip in between number 5 and Garcia, number 2.
Wait lang. Official, Thailand Team.
Okay. Alright. Let's
Okay,
go
ball
in.
3.
Morillo.
There's a foul. Morillo. First shot. Wala. Second shot. Yun. Okay, for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Garcia. Off. Pinulingan. Joke lang. Okay,
Ng basket para kay number 11. Garcia. Unang free throw, basket para kay Garcia. Pangalawang free throw, basket.
Garcia na naman.
Garcia, binababa yung bola. Garcia, side step. Ayan o. Easy basket para kay Garcia. 25.
25, pinababa ang bola.
Pass it to 7.
Uy,
Basket para kay number 7. Tortola, binababa yung bola. Garcia.
May dribble.
Sagon sa ilalim. Sagon umangat. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Sagon pa rin. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Sagon pa rin. Basket para kay Sagon for the third try.
Murillo, hawak bola.
Morillo. Tortola umangat. Basket para kay Tortola.
By number 20. Oras, 5 minutes left.
Ubaob, binababa yung bola. Ubaob for 3. Wala, nakuha ni 19. Pass break na to. 11, layup. Okay, easy basket for number 11. Number Garcia.
Garcia, pinasa kay Murillo, number 22.
Morillo, pass ito Tortola. Yan o. Easy tukot para kay Tortola. 11, layup, basket para kay number 11. Nice basket.
Kay Trey, pinasa kay Amri.
Garcia, tumirada ng press.
No good. Number 5, pinasa kay 11.
11.
Napatay ni Garcia.
11. Easy basket for number 11. 9. Ngayon, 9.
9.
Ubaob, jumper, basket para kay Ubaob.
Ganda ng move kayo, nag-left stroke.
Garcia, first free throw, basket. Garcia, second free throw, basket.
Pasok. Turnover. Pinasa kay
19 pass break. 19, basket. Easy basket para kay number 19. Unofficial score, 15-12 in favor of Green Team. Number 5. Dumay out. Yan o, easy basket para kay number 5. Time out ang Talatlo. Unofficial score, 15-14. Isa lang ang lamang ng Green Team.
Patay na ang
Aurelio.
ang shot clock.
Pass it to Ubao for 3. Wala.
Sa punot number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Behind the back.
2, 1.
Alright, that's it.
Oh, there's a 1 second to shoot. Ito.
that's it for the first
And
quarter
the
natin.
first quarter, ang score, 15-14 lamang ang green.
Isa lang ang lamang ng green team. 15-14. Alright. Na tayo guys. Ball possession ang Talat Blue.
15, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 9.
Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound ni
Ulit ni Garcia. Garcia, pinababa ang bola.
Garcia. Binababa yung bola. Garcia pa rin. Umangat. Ayan o, basket para kay Garcia.
Humphrey, pinababa ang bola.
Garcia. Ayan o. And one para kay Garcia. Bonus charity ni number 2 basket para kay Garcia. 13 dribbling the ball.
Tama.
Pass it to intercept. 13 to 15. 15 dribbling the ball, drive basket
Points
by number 15.
Humphrey, pinababa ang bola.
Humphrey.
Pinasa kay Joseph.
Yun o, nice basket para kay number 9. 13 dribbling the ball.
13,
Pass it to number 15. 13
score 22-16 lamang green.
13 basket para kay number 13.
Pinali kay Humphrey, tumira, no good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pinasa kay 33.
36 number 12 for 3.
For 3.
Bang 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 para kay number 12 for 3.
22-21. Lamang pa rin ang green. Isa na lang. 15-2. 4 minutes.
Tortola
Kay Allen.
number 9 umangat basket para kay number 9.
Number 15. Pinababa mo na. Tawag ng play break. 9.
36 layup yun ang basket for number 36.
Score 24-21 naman pa rin ang green. Humphrey for 2, no good. Number 9 for the rebound. Blocked by number 36. Number 12, nababa ang bola.
15, 36, ayan o.
Easy basket by
Nice
number 36.
shot by number 36. Ubaog.
26-24.
12, pass break, basket for number 12. Time out, green team. Unofficial score, 24-27 in favor of Talat Blue, Highland team. Morillo. Morillo, pass it to
Humphrey, dumidiskarte. Nangihingi ng foul. 13 to shoot. Number 9, dumidiskarte. Number 9, pinasa kay Ray Allen. Ray Allen to shoot. Number 12.
basket para kay De Guzman.
Score 28-27 sa Mount Green.
Nice basket for number 13.
Last 10 seconds.
Garcia.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. And...
Alright, that's it for the first half.
Hedging pala.
Unofficial score 28-29 in favor of Thailand team. To the ball game na tayo guys. Third quarter.
The third quarter. May number naman, pinababa ang bola. Back to the press.
Ubao for 3, wala.
Ang sisil, big man yan.
7.
Number 7.
Number 11 for 3.
11 dozen. No good.
Number 5, basket for number 5.
Just number Number 2, pinababa ang bola. Uy!
Spin move.
Out sa'yo,
Basket
Mar.
para kay
Basket by
Garcia.
number 2. First shot, no good. Lamang na ang isa ang color green. 25, pinasa ko 11 for
11 for 3. Basket for number 11.
Bye. Aray ko. Nakipag-usap kasi. Number 2, Humphrey, pinababa ang bola. Number 5,
Lay up. Basket for number 5.
35-34. Lamang ang... Ay, 36 ba? 36-34 lamang ang black. Humphrey. Wala, good. Continue. Sabihin na referee.
25 for 3. Bang, bang, bang for number 25.
39-34 lamang ang Talat Blue.
Time out ang Talat Blue.
And 14 seconds left for the third quarter.
Morillo for 3. Bang, bang, bang para kay Morillo.
Basket. 11, pinababa ang bola. Okay.
11 pass it to number 15. Basket
Easy
to number
basket.
15. Morillo,
Number 9. Block by number 5. Pinasa kay 15, pinasa kay 11.
11. Easy basket for number 11. Ubaop.
Okay,
Jumper. Basket para kay
2 points by
Ubaop.
Quiltred. Play. Lapito. No whistle, don't stop. Number 7. There's a call. 15.
Number 5, lay up. Basket for
Easy
number
basket
5.
by jersey number 5. Pabor pa rin sa 5. Ayan. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Munggoa, nag-dribble. Ayan, pasabay na Elvis.
Lay up basket for number 11.
2 points.
Yan, Munggoba, dumidiskarte.
50 seconds to play.
Pasa kay Army kay... Ayun, tuminal. Uy, dalubay na naman.
11, floater, no good.
Number 5 for the rebound. Put back, no good. Ray Allen.
Yan, eto na naman.
11.
Basket by... Pinababa ang bola. Dumidiskarte. Terminator out.
Walang mapapasaan. Ayan na.
Garcia. Dumidiskarte. 2 points by Garcia.
42-49.
Number 7. Pass to number 5.
Ayan naman.
Selected.
Ayan.
4, 3,
Walang tulog.
1.
And of the third quarter.
Unofficial score 42-49 in favor of Thailand
Sa
team.
odds, negative 1.
To the ball game. Malayo guys. Last quarter. 15 for 3. Pass it to number 12 for 3. Bang, bang, bang for number 12.
Ayan, dumidiskarte.
Happy birthday!
3 points by Garcia.
Okay. Ayun na naman, tumila na naman. Uy, ang
Give and go between 36 and number 9.
Ayan na. Okay. Samsung.
Basket for number 12. 3 points. Time out. Green team.
Win. Score 45-58 in favor of 8.
14 shot clock, 14. Oh, foul! Yes, oh, foul!
Natapilok. Yung player ng Thailand team. Alright, back to the ball game now, guys.
47-58.
Labas sa bola.
36 layup basket for number 36.
6B. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Bobby.
Nice block. Number 5 layup basket for number 5.
Black party. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. 150. Alanganin na nagpasa mo. Kaya sa number 12, pass na number 4.
Number 5 layup basket for number 5. Number 5 layup basket for number 5.
37 seconds.
Ubao for 3.
O ba? Palabalik na naman ni Malabon.
Tinapos, tumakas mo. Hayaan nyo na. Kita na yan. Magandang na. Ali, congrats na.
10 seconds.
11 for 3.
Wala. Riba na naman ni Segund. Hindi na naman. Murillo, buzzer beater.
Alright, that's it.
Final score 68-74. Panalo 60. Congratulations.
Panalo ang Thailand team. Final score 47-68. Ayun, congrats Thailand team.